This is the old pipe for the XR650R, and it's kind of loud. It's been drilled out. And this is our new pipe, Leo Vince L X3. And this pipe comes with 3 different fittings for the top. This one right here won't work with the spark arrestor. This one won't either. This one would. And this one's quieter, according to the manual and everything else. I love the fit of it. This came off, right? This just tightened right on. It's a slip-on. This came put on real easy, along with this fitting right here. Fantastic fit. I'm loving the way it looks. This spring, when you put it together, holds this part of the pipe to the silencer, and it comes with its own puller handle, which makes that installation exceedingly simple.